Celebrities are celebrating Football Hall of Famer Frank Gifford's life on Twitter after the NFL star and sportscaster passes away at 84. I'm Kristen Goodwin for Buzz 60. The New York Giants Pro Bowler and broadcast legend died suddenly of natural causes at his Connecticut home. Loved ones and friends are sharing memorial messages and tweeting support to Gifford's wife, Today host Kathy Lee. Al Roker tweets several pictures from Frank's life, writing, "I will always remember Frank Gifford's grace, self-deprecating wit, and love of his family. So much to so many." Kathy Lee's Today co-host, Hoda Kotb, tweeted her love for the late NFL star, tweeting she will remember Gifford making her laugh, but she is heartbroken. Donald Trump calls Gifford a friend, tweeting Frank will be missed by all. Frank Gifford's goddaughter, model Kendall Jenner, expresses her sadness, calling her godfather the legend. Nancy Sinatra paid respect, tweeting a photo of Gifford's family. Kathy Lee thanked fans for their outpouring of grace on Twitter. Gifford was a football icon both on and off the football field. His death is a crushing hit for many in the industry and NFL fans everywhere. Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.